What's up, my Watu Wangu Wazuri? That's right, my beautiful people in Swahili. How you guys doing? I'm back again with another video. This is Avi, and I'm on my Surface Pro 7, teaching myself how to use digital media and draw and color in digital media. This time I'm doing a design for a t-shirt, and I am drawing a zombie and attempting to color it in. Although I think the final version will be black and white, I just decided to go ahead and practice using color. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit with the color palette and fill it in. So that just means I have to go back and typically I want to use the ballpoint pen. I don't know, probably on a level 3 or 4 to mimic an actual black ink pen to make sure there are no line breaks, so that when I fill in either the background or the zombie itself, or his head or face or any of the limbs, I won't get the backfill and fill the whole page. So what you can see right now is I'm just going in with the ballpoint pen and adjusting the size so that I can close out any little gaps between all of the line work for the face and the arms. But mostly I see spaces in the sides of the face and the arms and shoulders. And then I'll go ahead and be able to pick a color using the color editor and then hitting the bucket to fill in the color for the face. I'm so new to this. Don't really know what I'm doing, but having fun exploring at the moment. One thing that I am doing currently is taking my traditionally drawn black and white ink drawings, scanning them in, and then uploading them onto the app, which is Sketchbook, on my Surface Pro, and coloring from there. I have not yet made a from scratch digital drawing, just simply out of intimidation and fear. Just right now it's easier just to take something, scan it in, and start the coloring process. Eventually I do plan on testing out not only Sketchbook but maybe Sketchable, and then Procreate. I really like the different brushes. Right now I'm using a standard ballpoint pen. I've used the airbrush tip, the chisel tip, as well as the paintbrush to color things in. Like I said, I am brand new to digital drawing and coloring, so this is a lot of practice for me that you're watching. Just even trying to figure out which color on the color palette to use. A lot of mistakes, going back, correcting them, but it's been a lot of fun. Can't tell you how much fun. It's kind of one of those things where you're starting brand new, so you don't know what you don't know. But at this point, I really want you to comment if there is a question you have about what I'm doing so far, or if you'd like to see me drawing something specific. Again, this is a t-shirt design. It's a dumb zombie who wants to eat your Brian's instead of brains. And so this actually will be a t-shirt design available for purchase in my Bonfire store shortly. Again, thank you for watching. I want you to always comment, like, and share. Click the bell to be notified, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I appreciate you watching this far. If you watched this far, go ahead, like I said, leave a comment. Let me know if you have questions about any of the process that I'm taking while I'm kind of teaching myself, learning, and I do plan on taking classes, but right now, just fun, playing around. Again, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.